Alright, so we're just going to look at a couple examples here where we are adding and subtracting some numbers and kind of thinking about our order of operations a little bit as well. So our first example, we have a negative 12, we're subtracting a 23, and we're subtracting 11. So order of operations tells us to work left to right with all your addition and subtraction. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the negative 12 minus 23. So just to kind of talk about what we looked at in the intro video, it's a subtraction problem, so you can do that add op, so that's plus, I make that a plus, and then make that a negative 23. So what happens is now I'm adding two negative numbers, so I add the numbers and I get 35, and I keep the same sign. And then I bring down the minus 11, and there's another subtraction, so you can add the opposite. Now we're adding two negative numbers, and so you add the numbers, you get a 46, and you keep the same sign, negative. And you probably would say, yeah, I got that answer an hour ago, but I'm just talking you through the math and the process of it. Alright, so next one we have subtraction, addition, addition. So it's all addition and subtraction, so just like on the last one, we're going to work left to right with it. So first thing we're going to do is the subtraction, 15 minus 18. Again, and especially if you're doing these in your head, you can change it to addition, so 15 plus a negative 18. And now they have opposite signs, one positive and one negative. So we know to subtract the numbers, 18 minus 15 is 3, and keep the sign of the bigger number. So that's going to be a negative 3. Then I'm going to bring down the next one, plus 5. And then with that plus 5, now I'm adding two numbers with opposite signs, so I actually subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Keep the sign of the bigger number, which is the 5. So I have a 2. And then bring down plus a negative 12. Opposite signs again, so I'm going to subtract. 12 minus 2 is 10. Keep the sign of the bigger number, which is the 12, so it's going to become a negative 10. So hopefully that makes sense, and like I said, I know you can get these answers much faster. I'm just talking through the process because it's good to refresh our memory on how this works.